Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video I will show you guys how, if you are facing that your slide deck generation on NotebookLM unsuccessful, or it keeps loading and never finish. So as you can see, I have a bunch of notebooks on my NotebookLM. To be honest, on that case I rarely happen on my case. So if you are facing that one, let's say just pick random this one, and then the solution is, if you are creating the slide deck and it keeps loading, keeps it keeps generating and never finish. First you have to do is refresh your browser. It may be on just the problem is on your front end, but on the back end already generated the slide deck. That's the first you have to do. And then the second one you have to do, you make sure all your sources already load correctly. I mean, sometimes sources not loaded successfully. Sometimes it came some warning here like the sources unable to upload or so make sure all your sources are uploaded successfully. If not, you just re-upload it or just once again refresh your browser. Commonly, if I upload the sources from my phone, that took longer than if you are upload on your laptop or PC. That's the second method. And then the third method, you try to locate what is your problem. What is your problem? Is it the account level, the browser level, or the global level? I mean, first, you as we know that I think many of you has many Google account. You just log on to another account and then create new NotebookLM and try to generate the slide deck. If it's still unavailable, I mean it's still unsuccessfully to create the slide deck, means it's supposed to be it's the global issue. If not, it means that the account issue. So if you are using your another account and it creates successfully with the same sources, successfully the slide deck, means your primary account is supposed to be something wrong. So what you have to do, you just go to your profile here, manage your Google account, make sure you verified all that Google asks to you. Maybe the age and then the phone number like me, or maybe your country or so. Make sure your Google account is health. Okay, that's the methods how to resolve if you are failed to doing the slide deck. And then lastly, if still your primary account couldn't generate the slide deck, you can clear cache on your browser by settings and then search for cache. I'm using Google Chrome right here. Search for cache and then you just delete your cache from any time range that you're comfortable. So that's it. Very simple tutorial. I hope it works for you. If doesn't, please put on the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.